E kaunti ma Migori en ni apisas mag thieth Othiedho dag pi e skul noero mar sekondari mar St. Peter's Abwao mayudore e kaunti ma Migori kendo opuodho dag pi noero kaka maler atok jopuonjre 30 yudo tuo mar pien del e tam mokadho. Public Health Officer Masuna West Sub-County Migosi Vincent Lusula owacho ni jonyuol kaachiel kod jopuonjre kik bed kod luoro moramora nikech onge kwiri marach e pi makamano. Migosi Lusula otayo tim mar jothieth e skul noero kendo ne githiedho dag pi mopogore opogore e skul makamago. Japuonj maduong' mar skul noero Migosi Jackton Ogola to korka kore owacho ni ne gichich ni tuo noero ne kel kod virus to duoko mag samples ogolo ayanga ni nen bacterial infection manokere tok jopuonjre tiyo kod gik moko kanyakla. Public Health Officer e kaunti ma Migori Migosi Kennedy Ombogo onyiso jofwambo ni duoko mag samples makamago kuom jopuonjre bende ogolo ayanga ni negin koda tuo mar scabies. Kata kamano gijiwo jonyuol kaachiel kod jopuonjre mondo kik bed koda luoro moramora.
Rashes from the chest up to the lower body parts. Itchiness of the skin, and then even the coloration of the palms actually. So we took the initiative of assessing the water situation at the school. I did come here with my team sometimes back, records are there. I took samples both for bacteriological analysis, chemical analysis to our regional government chemist. The results came. Actually, the issue of chemical intoxication was ruled out. We had issues of bacteriological traces. And then out of that, bacteriological traces indicates, we have indicators. E. coli, when it is within this limit, actually this means that we have to disinfect the water. And it was within that margin, as a department, we disinfected the water just to render it safe for public consumption. So the whole psyche within the community, actually they were talking of chemical contamination. But the public analyst, that is from Kisumu, government chemist, ruled it out. So it was basically bacteriological. And when you look at how bacteria interferes with the water, the only remedy is to disinfect using calcium hypochlorite of 70% strength. And that was our intervening point. We disinfected the water out of the outcome of the analysis.
The water we have in our school is good for human use. We did the necessary before drilling water. The processes were followed. The samples were taken to a government laboratory in Kisumu twice. What we advise is just to add chlorine to our water in the storage tanks. So many bodies have taken water for sampling: Minister of Water, Environment, United Nations Development Kenya, or the public health officers. So far, we have received a report from Nairobi. I've been called, but I've not received the actual report that water is good for human use.